How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, and welcome back to the channel where we talk all things Irish dancing. Today we're going over a hop jig. I've never taught one of these on the channel before, but I'm so excited to get into it. It's a bit of a faster moving jig if you think of it that way. It's a little different, but super fun. So let's dive into it. So right away, 7-2-3 and 8-2-3. Step in. We're gonna step in to start the dance. Okay. Now, from there, 7-2-3 and 8-2-3. Step in, knee. We're gonna hop into a knee. As we're hopping off our back foot, we're swinging into a right-footed knee. 2, 3, and step in, knee. From here, we're gonna kick right back out into a leap 2-3 or a change 2-3. Change 2-3. Okay, so straight forward. We go 7-2-3 and 8-2-3. Step in, knee, change 2-3. All right, now we're gonna repeat that, I think 3 times in a row. All right, so nice and slow. And by the way, if we're moving too fast, be sure to hit the playback feature and slow it down a little bit. Likewise, if my Midwest is a little too slow for you, you can also speed me up. But that playback feature is embedded in YouTube. It's a really useful tool. So here we go. So repeating that movement 3 times. 2, 3, and step in, knee, change 2-3. Step in, knee, change 2-3. Step in, knee, change 2-3. Cool. Again, side profile. 2, 3, and step in, knee, change 2-3. Step in, knee, change 2-3. Step in, knee, change 2-3. And obviously, I have a small space. So you'd want to take this on a circle, or if you want to move somewhere with it, it's got a lot of versatility with that. For today, I'm just dancing in space because I don't have the space for it today, but you can certainly move with this dance quite a bit. Now, the final piece to this dance is 2 change 2-3s. So our 7-2-3 and 8-2-3 is just change 2-3, change 2-3, or leap 2-3, leap 2-3, however you phrase it. So all together is 2, 3, and step in, knee, leap 2-3, step in, knee, leap 2-3, step, whoop, again, 2, 3, and step in, knee, leap 2-3, step in, knee, leap 2-3, step in, knee, leap 2-3, leap 2-3, leap 2-3. And the left foot would just be right off that front foot, leap 2-3, step in, knee, leap 2-3, and onward from there, yeah. Pretty straightforward dance, but it's a really good one. It's got a cool tune to it. Let's try it to music. So it's also called single jigs. I always called it a hop jig, but you might also be calling it a single jig. So single hop jig is what you'd be looking for in like the FEIS app and whatnot. Sounds pretty much like a jig. Here we go. 7-2-3 and 8-2-3. Step in, leap 2-3. Step in, knee, leap 2-3. Step in, knee, leap 2-3. Leap 2-3. Leap 2-3. Left foot, knee, leap 2-3. Step in. There you go. There is your introductory step into hop jigs or single jigs or however you want to call it. I hope you enjoyed the step. If that went really fast, you can always retake the class and go from there. But yeah, if you learned anything, got anything out of this, had some fun, be sure to hit like on this video. I would really appreciate that. Helps the algorithm to send this video out to more people. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. I'm planning on rolling out videos, new videos every week. And yeah, I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy dancing.